attention, but simple instead.
What's up guys, my name is Nia and welcome to my channel dedicated to inspiring the everyday working mom, balance life, and tackle your to-do list. Today I'm going to share with you an after work routine, and on this particular day I really wanted to make a healthy spin on spaghetti. So I'm starting off by prepping my spaghetti squash because this typically does need to stay in the oven for about 25 to 35 minutes. So I figured I would have this cooking while I cleaned up the kitchen.
You want me to go now, but I hope you slow it down. Hope you slow it down, 'cause what I really need is your time. So will you like me like that? Just like that. Like me like that. Just like that. Like me like that. I don't even know what to get in your head. Seeking your attention, but simple instead. 'Cause I hope you look my way, but no, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. Feeling every day like I'm going insane. 'Cause you and I are something I wish for every day. So I hope you look my way, but yeah, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday.
Once the onions and peppers had cooked a bit and you could see they're a little bit translucent, I then went in and added in my meat. And this particular day I decided to do half ground beef and half a spicy ground sausage.
Just like that. Like me like that. Just like that.
I would love to know if you are somebody who likes to come home every single day and cook a fresh meal, or do you prefer meal prepping to just save a little bit on time? Personally, for me, I do like to meal prep, but this particular day, I actually got off of work early and figured that I would just cook something fresh for the night.
Feels just like you want me to go now, but I hope you slow it down. Hope you slow it down, 'cause what I really need is your time. So will you like me like that? Just like that. Just like that. Like me like that. Like me like that. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Like me like that. No, just like that. No, like me like that. I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old flaws, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you.
It feels so good to check things off of your list. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you agree. The next thing I really needed to do was to clean out both of Riley's car seats. We actually have a car seat at my mother-in-law's house because she does watch her during the week. And then I, of course, have a car seat in my car. So she actually dropped hers off because she was out in New York visiting her mother. So I figured this was the perfect time to wash both of them because it definitely had been some time.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet what's all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights.
And this is the load of laundry that still needs to be folded. This is also clean as well. I have not touched laundry in a really long time, but we're gonna tackle this today.
Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you, wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you, coming to get you, coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. I feel
By this time, I had finished everything on my to-do list except for folding this mound of laundry. The spaghetti squash had been taken out of the oven, but it needed to cool down first. And the meat sauce was already finished, so I figured this gave me just enough time to get all of this laundry folded.
coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. I know you've been down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it go and start being yourself. You can put on your dress, we can play your favorite song, and I will take care of you, care of you, care of you. This is what we need, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Maybe you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Breakups leave the scars, you don't need to be ashamed. Everyone's got their hearts broken sometime. Let's go.
Dinner turned out so good. It was a little bit spicy from the red chili pepper flakes along with the ground sausage. I tackled everything on my to-do list, so I would count this as a win-win. Definitely a successful and productive night. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in a couple days with another video. Bye.
We have to